Now that we've created your new YouTube account, let's start adding some artwork to your channel. Your YouTube channel can be branded for your business in places like your banner, your profile image, and your channel icon. The branding you use for your YouTube channel should be consistent with your website and your products. You want your business to be cohesive across all platforms. For your profile image, it will be good to either use your brand logo or a professional headshot of yourself if you're the face of your business. Your logo will be shown under each video that you publish, so you want to make sure it's high quality and attention grabbing. For your banner, you have to keep in mind that it must be optimized for all devices a viewer may use, including a computer, mobile phone, or even a television. When creating your banner image, there is a central or safe section where you want to include most of your graphics to be viewable from any device. To get an optimized banner, you can either purchase one from a reputable designer or create one yourself. We will be going over both methods in this lecture. You also have the ability to add multiple site links to your banner. This can send traffic to your business website, products, or even other social media pages. So go ahead and log into your new YouTube channel, and let's get started by adding a channel icon. To add your profile image, let's look at the box on the top left here and click on the edit icon. You'll see a message box that says your channel icon is linked to your brand account. Go ahead and click on edit. This should take you over to your Google profile. Your Google image and your channel icon will both be the same, so you can edit it here. Go ahead and click on upload photo. You can now find and upload the photo that you want to use as your channel icon. Typically, this will either be your brand logo or a personal headshot. You could choose another image as well as long as it's relevant to your business. I think I'll use a headshot for now, but the photo can be updated anytime you like. So now that we've added the image to our Google profile, it should also update on our YouTube channel as well. So let's head back over to the YouTube channel and hit refresh. And voila, my profile image has been added to my new channel. Now that I have my channel icon, let's add the banner image. To do this, let's click on the blue Add Channel Art button here. If you look at the bottom right of the box here, you can see that the recommended size for your channel art is 2560 by 1440 pixels. If you already have your channel art, go ahead and upload it now. If not, let's go over how to either purchase your channel art or create one yourself. One of the best places to purchase channel art is Fiverr.com. Here you can find high quality designers that will create your banner image at an affordable price. To view the different designers, let's go to the search bar and type in YouTube banner. Searching for this will show you all the different artists on Fiverr that can create your banner for you. Scroll through the different gigs and find a designer that has a style that you like. A banner image on Fiverr will typically cost anywhere between $5 and $30. If you click on one of the gigs, you can see the various banners that the artist has previously made, the packages that they offer, and the reviews from previous customers. If you like what you see, go ahead and select one of the packages. You should then be taken to the order screen where you can make your purchase with a credit card or with PayPal. Once you place your order, you can then send the information over to the designer of how you want your banner to look. This can be the type of business you run, the colors you want to use, and any other information you feel is relevant. In about 2 or 3 days after that, you should have your new banner. If you don't want to purchase a banner, you could also create one yourself. Let's go over how to do that now. One of the best sites to use to create your own banner is Canva.com. This is one of my favorite sites for creating art for my social media pages. Under Create a Design, you can find the platform that you want to create a design for, and you can access tons of free templates for you to use. So to get started with our design, let's go down here and click on YouTube Channel Art. Under the Templates tab, you can see a ton of free banners that you can edit and use. Go ahead and scroll through the different banners and find a design that you like. Once you select your design, go ahead and click it so you can edit it. The templates on Canva can be edited however you like. Use the editing tools to update the text, the colors, or anything else you want to change. Remember that the safe zone is in the center, so make sure your text and images are focused there. If you wanted to add your own images, such as your brand logo or a different background, click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side. You can then look up top and click on the Upload an Image button. Go ahead and select the image you want to upload, and once it's uploaded, simply drag it over to the canvas to add it to your banner. You can then resize the image, move it around, or anything else you wish to do. In order to find new images for your banner, you can use a site like Pixabay.com. Here you can search through tons of royalty-free icons, images, and backgrounds. When you find an image that you want to use, simply download the image, then upload it to the Canva template. You can then drag the image over to your banner and edit it however you like. When you finish editing your YouTube banner, go up to the top right and click on Download. I prefer to download in the PNG format for highest quality. Once you've downloaded your new banner, you can now head back over to your YouTube channel. Now let's click on the Add Channel Art button. Go ahead and upload the banner that you just purchased or created. Once your banner has finished uploading, you should be able to see a preview of how your banner will look on each device. Make sure you like the way your banner looks and that the art is viewable on the desktop, TV, and mobile devices. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Select. And there we have it. Our new YouTube channel now has a profile image and a banner image. Remember that these can be changed or updated anytime you wish. If you look at the top right of your banner, you can click this edit icon to add links to your banner as well. Go ahead and click the icon, then click on Edit Links. If you look at the links section at the bottom of this page, you can add up to 5 different links to your YouTube banner. If you click on the Add button, you can add links to your website, your products, services, or even your social media sites. Go ahead and add all sites you want to include on your banner, then click on Done. Now if we head back over to my YouTube homepage, we can look at the bottom right of the banner and see that new links have been added. Now viewers of my YouTube page can simply click these links and be taken directly to my products and services. So that's it for creating the channel art for your new YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, Jason here again with Quantum Courses, and thanks for checking out this video preview. To get the full course and view our other online courses and masterclasses, head over to jasongandy.org or click the link down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button, and I'll see you next time.